pass across. Okay, so let's start tonight's event. The episode 5, I will be talking about more. I talk about the decentralized finance, and also I'll talk about the centralized finance. Then these two aspects will lead us into where we are as MANTRA DAO, and also I will spread it down to the uh, the new features that was released last week, and also we talk about the becoming a sherpa. And if you have not yet uh, into uh, into the community, I mean, you have not really logged into the membership of this sherpa, you need to quickly enter because of the benefits that surrounds it. Then again, I'm also going to uh, show you how to how to how to uh, how to use your mobile to stake and some other things that pertain to the application and the mobile app. So I'm going to be showing you all those. So I'll start with the traditional finance and the crypto finance. Now, we all have the understanding of the finance system, and it came earlier. It's either we are talking about the traditional finance or you are talking about crypto finance. And I think early hour of today, Contract team was able to send in a particular article. I know that many of us might not even go deeper to read about the article, and the article was posted on Phobix, and um, it dwell more on what decentralized finance is doing in our present time, and with all our understanding of traditional finance, and we know that majorly everything or all things that are happening in traditional finance is actually what what is happening in crypto space, but it's just that we focus more on decentralized system, decentralized system. And if you are to go deeper and look at the understanding of crypto finance, we'll talk of so many things. There are so many things that we need to understand when you are talking about crypto finance. From we talk about the assets, we talk about the wallets, we talk about the system, we talk about the organization that surrounds the crypto space. So there are a lot of things that we need to look into to be able to understand the crypto space in general. And if you now try to now dig deeper into crypto space, you can factor out the DeFi, and also you factor out the CeFi or the CeFi. So we have the DeFi and the CeFi. And many of us, or let me say generally in crypto space, I can say that 80%, or let me say 80 to 90% of everyone in crypto space are actually involving in CeFi system, that is centralized finance. That's basically what we do. But you may not really you may say, maybe I'm holding Bitcoin, I'm holding Ethereum, I'm holding EOS, I'm holding one hop. All those ones are assets, and if it is crypto assets, they are decentralized. Yes, agreed. But if you look at what you are actually doing, you will know that you are still limiting yourself to um, the file system, which is centralized finance. And this is what I will try to explain to you. And I will open your eyes to the importance of the centralized finance before you now try to now upgrade yourself to the understanding of the decentralized finance. Okay, so we have the understanding that before 2009, we have been talking about traditional finance, deal with bank, deal with central bank, and exchanging your uh, money for goods and services, saving your money in bank in order to get interest, trying to get a loan, and trying to get a loan, and the bank try to look at your credit limit, or you try to drop something as a collateral in order to get that loan. All these are what is happening um, before 2009, when the first cryptocurrency was out, when we first mentioned about blockchain, which is Bitcoin. And people begin to look at what is this new technology and try to know what this blockchain can really offer to the finance system. And that's what brought in the crypto finance, which is an alternative means of exchange to traditional finance. And I can go on and on and on and on to try to now explain how crypto finance come into being, what is the thing that people want to achieve by creating this. But because I have many of us that already have a clear understanding of this, I will just need to let you understand that when you talk about crypto finance, we have it in mind that before you can hold a token, you must have at least you have you have your fiat currency, and you are trying to exchange it to get the crypto finance, and that means you need, I mean, crypto assets. That means you need to visit an exchange in order to get that thing sorted. So, in as much you are still dealing with your fiat to crypto, you are still centralize yourself to the financial system, because you are still dealing with fiat assets. You are still dealing with fiat currency. And that is not what a blockchain come and sort out. Blockchain comes to sort out um, a decentralized, it's try to present a decentralized system whereby there will not be an interference of human. There will not be anyone trying to do a trade between let me say peer. It's just a peer to peer. Exchange your tokens to your friends. You want to buy laptop, you just take your Bitcoin, you exchange it with your friend, and your friend give you laptop. There is nothing concerning. There is nothing to deal. When you are, there is nothing to talk about. Or let me say, you don't need to talk about fiat when you are talking about a cryptocurrency. But nowadays, hey, everybody that is here, we agree with me that you can't get cryptocurrency without you having your naira, or you have your Uganda currency, so that you can exchange, then you have your cryptocurrency. So you are still dealing with the government money. And that is where centralized finance come into being. So you can't erase centralized finance from crypto space. We have exchanges that are centralized. Why? Because you need you guys to come with your local currency, exchange it, and have that cryptocurrency to yourself. Again, they looked at it that people are coming from a traditional finance system understanding with the knowledge of how banking sector works. They have all this information, they have all this knowledge. So it will be so difficult for them to embrace centralized finance without them passing through a centralized finance, understand the centralized finance, and when you understand it, then you can now apply that understanding that you have in centralized, and you can now use it on decentralized finance system. So it is more of a starter point, or a starting point for everyone to start with centralized finance, understand how to exchange your your fiat to crypto. Then when you understand that, then you can now go deeper into decentralized finance system and understand it. Okay, so that is the reason why I said you can't remove centralized finance and say you are dealing with decentralized finance. It's more like somebody that has not passed through secondary school and want to just jump into university. So everything that they will be doing, the people will be doing in university will be like uh, like magic. All right. So so that reason why I need to first of all try to let you understand the importance of centralized finance. So I want everyone here to understand exchanges that you are using, understand the interface, understand how to trade, understand how to exchange. Then when you understand it closely, it will be very easy for you to get what staking is, to understand what liquidity is, to understand how to connect your wallet in decentralized finance, to understand some little things that attach to um, decentralized finance. So centralized finance is created, try to understand it now, is created as a basement for decentralized finance system to build upon. So if you see all exchanges that you see that are centralized, many of them are coming up with decentralized system that their users, their customer can make use of. Take Binance as an example. Binance has a decentralized exchange and also has a centralized exchange. So if you are able to master centralized exchange, you'll be able to also be able to understand the decentralized exchange of that exchange. Okay, so and any exchange you see that is demanding for your private keys, is demanding for your private key before you can now maybe do a trade or whatsoever, is a centralized. Okay, anything that is asking you for a password to go in or is asking for your private key, then is a centralized finance of is a centralized exchange and the centralized finance system. Okay, so for decentralized exchange, you don't need to submit your um, private keys. In like you talk about Uniswap, talk about what again? You talk about MetaMask. You talk about so many of them like that apps that you have that are centralized exchange. You deal with them, and you are the one that controls whatsoever that is going on here. So you may be asking that then what is the reason why I have to let you understand this is because of where we are actually going tonight. Now, you may be asking that then what is now the importance of centralized and decentralized exchange, or what is the disadvantage of decentralized exchange? Like centralized exchange has its advantage, is that disadvantage because you can easily use your local currency and get cryptocurrency and exchange it easily and do your transactions. You want to also withdraw or you want to exchange back, you can easily do that. But when you come to decentralized finance, now, decentralized exchange, it takes, how will I put it? I've not really, I'm still looking at um, decentralized exchange that has your local currency in there. What you can see there, you can see stable coin, maybe stable coin of your local currency, maybe peg on your local currency. But for you to really see the local currency, your local currency there to exchange to crypto is very, 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 very unlikely. I'm not too sure we already have that decentralized exchange like that. So you still need centralized exchange for your transactions so that you can have cryptocurrency, change it to your local currency, and do your trading. But That is where crypto is actually going, to make sure that you can easily do transactions without looking at a centralized system to carry out your services, to render services, to maybe buy laptop, buy food, buy some goods. So that is where crypto is going, and it needs adoptions. And that's the reason why we keep on educating people more about crypto space, to get the clarity of what crypto is trying to solve. Peer to peer, peer to peer is P2P is what cryptocurrency is all about. All right. So I think I've been able to give you a little clarity between traditional finance and crypto finance. I'll still be talking about it in our in subsequent meeting to come. So let me now move closely to what Mantra is doing. Now, I've given you a little understanding about the CFI and the DeFi. Now, last week we understand that there are so many things that Mantra has come up with, and in September 2020, um, our web app was launched, and many people are able to stake on the web app. And also we know that uh, our web app that was launched in September was able to allow people to connect their MetaMask to um, to perform their transactions, perform their transaction. And last week, I was able to also deliver to you that we are following our roadmap, and at the cost of the week, we were able to launch the um, the uh, the new features of the wallet, whereby we were able to integrate the wallet connect and the wallet link, and this gave back to the optimized web app, the mobile app that was launched. But I know that there are still many of us that have not really tried to exercise ourselves or try to check how the mobile app looks like and try to connect our wallet to it and see the operation. So if you have been able to put your hand on the app using your mobile, you discover that this is actually the page is going to show you when you are trying to connect. There's a page that is going to show you, and I'm just going to run through how you can connect it and get yourself started. Buy your whole, get your OM by exchanging it. Maybe you use Bitcoin or use your Ethereum to get it. You can easily connect and stake your tokens. So let me quickly rush through how to um, how to connect how to connect it. Okay. Um, um, Now, if if you have MetaMask mobile app, you can download MetaMask mobile app on your mobile phone, smartphone, and when you download it, you already imported your wallet herein, or maybe you have your Trust wallet, or you have your M token, and then some other token or some other mobile app. In as much you know that that app has browsers in it, you can make use of it. So what you do is, um, I have I'm using MetaMask now app, and also I'm using Trust. I have M token also. So this is MetaMask mobile app. So here you already this is the wallet. I already opened the wallet. Then as immediately you open it here, where you have the search button, when you click it, you have this display on your dashboard, on your phone, on your screen. And when this display, what you do is you go to browser. You go to browser. And as you go to browser, you have this open to you. You have this open to you. And as this open to you, what you do is you type in app.mantradao.com. You type app.mantradao.com. MANTRA DAO.app. Then you load it, and immediately you load it. So I've jumped. It's like I've jumped. I've not jumped. Immediately you load it, it's going to display this for you. It's going to show this for you, showing you the 3 wallets that we have integrated into the app, which is the MetaMask, the Wallet Connect, and the Wallet Link. Okay, and with these 3 wallets, you can connect your you can try to connect with your app and start using your app for your transactions. So um, uh, let me continue. So we have you have so I selected sorry um, I selected the wallet link. Selected the wallet link, and the wallet link take me to this page. It's going to take me to this page. Then you click connect, and as you click connect, it's going to show you the applications, the wallet application, ERC 20 ERC compatible wallets that you have on your mobile phone is going to display. So I have Trust Wallet, I have MetaMask, I have M token, and also I have M token, and I have Mass Wallet. So it's going to show the wallet app you have on your mobile phone.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I think it's Wallet Connect, not Wallet Link.
Oh, sorry, Wallet link, Wallet Connect, sorry, Wallet Connect, Wallet Connect. So, so I click on Connect, then it will display all the wallets that you have, Okay, so you pick. So I selected Trust Wallet. So you can decide to pick any of the wallets, and immediately you click on it. You just one, and if you want it to remain permanent, click this side. So I click just once. So and immediately I click that, I have this is going to display on your dashboard, telling you maybe you want to approve the connection of the wallet to the app, or you want to cancel the connection of the wallet to the app. So immediately you click approve, it's going to show you that your wallet has been connected to the app, which is the Mantra DAO application. So now I've been able to successfully connect my Trust Wallet to my um, Mantra DAO app. So I need to go back to where I initiated the connection, which is my MetaMask app. Don't forget, it was my MetaMask app browser that initiated these transactions, these connections. So you need to go back to that MetaMask wallet and to go, browser, to go and see what has happened there. So I'm going back there now. So immediately I got there, I discovered that automatically my wallet has been connected to the MetaMask, and I can view the applications, I can view the assets that is in that application. And if you click here also, or you click here, it can show you, you can navigate through the different architectural view of what this app is all about. You can see the mantra pool, you can see the governance, the Karma pool, Karma governance reputation. You can see the staking platform, you can see the lending platform, you can see the dashboard, you can see everything that pertains to these applications. So it's very, 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 very easy to connect, and you can start your what's it called, your transactions at your will. And I think I've been able to explain clearly how to connect your mobile app with your ERC compatible wallet, which on your mobile or your smartphone correctly. So as let me quickly rush down. I have less than 2 minutes. So like I said, just need to just wait, and
Mhm.
I'm going to restart and see if we can get back. But if you can get back, try to click the link in the group, and it will lead you down here back. Okay. So I move ahead to the second. This was launched also last week, and I think it was launched together with the app. Okay, and this is a soft governance for Sherpas on MANTRA DAO. This is what is part of what we have been waiting for, although we are still expecting the hard governance, which is the main thing. This one is just to just prepare your mind towards what we are planning as as far as the governance platform is concerned. As we know that Mantra is all about a decentralized autonomous organization, which means that everyone, everybody in the platform, your voice is important to us. So you can contribute, and is a determinant of the votes that people you can let me say you can submit proposal, and people start voting on that proposal. When your proposal is approved, then you have uh, some rewards that follow that. So I'm going to think of what you want to use um, that LP that is being given to you as reward. Maybe you want to sell it. All right. So like I was saying, I think I was trying to explain to you the liquidity. So the liquidity, that's how it works. So immediately you provide the OM as an Ethereum as your liquidity. The Uniswap is going to hold your, I think I've closed the Uniswap. The Uniswap is going to hold your, I've closed it, I will have changed it. It's going to hold your OM and your Ethereum, okay? It's going to hold it in Uniswap, all right? And as it hold it in Uniswap, it's going to give you, um, it's going to give you the reward of LP token, LP as LP. It's going to give you the reward of, um, it's going to give you the reward, yeah, LP token, which is uni OM slash ETH. So that's the reward that you are going to get, the reward you are going to get, okay? And that is now, as you receive that, you can view that reward in your ERC20 token wallet. All right, you will see that token in your wallet. You will see it in your wallet, and is also going to be displayed on the app, because the app also have the provision for that token. So you will see it there. So it's now for you now to now take that token and stake it to earn reward. So if you don't stake it, you will not get reward of that liquidity to provide you, just like what you can see 100 and something that has been generated. If I don't stake that token, I won't be able to generate that reward. I hope you are able to, you've been able to get that. So at the end of it all, I can decide to say I want to claim that my reward. And when I claim that my reward, I can still say I want to remove my liquidity. So if I remove my liquidity, I get my money back, the money that I've provided initially in Uniswap, and I still have my reward on. Don't forget, I have generated reward also in the app. So I have two. I have reward, and there is possibility that maybe OM has increased at that time. So when I pull in my liquidity, I get more profit, and I still have profit generated from the staking. So it's two-way thing. I hope you get that. So any more question, the file and the file system altogether. So if you have any questions to ask aside the the Cephal platform that refused to open, I would love to hear them. So guys, you can ask your questions. You love to.
Questions are
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Uh, okay.
okay. Good evening, everybody.
Evening.
Please, sir, you were talking about providing liquidity. I wanted to ask if we are to provide liquidity for OM, we are to first of all go to Uniswap to provide liquidity with the same address that holds the OM before coming to Mantra app.
Yeah, this is what you do. Whatsoever you are doing it with just one of just with your wallet, just one wallet. So if you must have already have OM in your wallet, okay? You have OM in your wallet, and it means that that OM that you have can do two things. Can You can stake OM, and at the same time you can stake OM and Ethereum. So when you are staking OM, that is separate things. When you are staking, I mean, I say, yeah, what am I saying? You can stake OM and you can stake the LP token. All right. So an LP token can only be generated by liquidity you provided in Uniswap. Okay. So it's not that, and the liquidity you provided in Uniswap has to do with OM and Ethereum. So let's assume that let's say you have let's take 200 OM in your wallet, and you are thinking that okay, you want to stake OM and at the same time you want to also provide liquidity. So what you do is maybe you just divide the token into two, try to stake 100 OM. So as to take 100 OM, that one is gone. Now you have 100 OM left. So you come to your Uniswap. So when you get to your Uniswap, you click pool. And at pool, immediately you enter your OM 100. The other, what's it called now? The other token that you will select has to be Ethereum, because that is OM and Ethereum is what is in the app. So you just click Ethereum. Immediately you click Ethereum, it's going to calculate the equivalent of the 100 OM that you. Okay, so we like I was saying before, I said that we are just going to be looking at the Shepherd the platform, and what it's all about and how you can navigate to get reward for your engagement and your contribution on the platform on the platform. So and I said that you can easily get yourself into the platform in two ways. It's either you click this interface or you click here. So if I click this interface, it's going to load and open another new page for me, which is the Mantra Sherpas. And the Mantra Sherpas is just about ambassadorship. So it's more like we don't call we don't call ourselves ambassador, but we call ourselves shepherd. And the shepherd is whoever that hold OM, and also a community member for the community member for Mantra project. You are a shepherd. You are supporting us. You are helping us. You are a shepherd, and if you are becoming a shepherd, you can just or a shepherd. You can just click here and start your registration. So the official website you can get to you can from official website you can get to this point and go ahead to do your registration. And the main reason for this program is to help the Mantra project grow its community. So we demand for your support to give your support in maybe tweeting or whatever on your social media and do. And when you do that, you will be able to earn points, and you can redeem that point for OM. So, and there are still some giveaways also that will be attached to it. So all you need to do is just click that column, that indicator, and you sign up. You sign up for the program, And when you sign up for the program, like I said yesterday, you register your name, emails, password, country, your Twitter name, your Telegram, your language you speak, tokens that you hold aside, OHEM, and I mean, do you hold OHEM? Yes or no? So you enter it, and then what are some of other of your people, right? So, like I tried to explain before, I think it was last week I explained that here we are saying, do you hold OHEM, and you type no, and maybe we have like 100 sign-ups, and maybe like almost 80% of the people that register, they are saying they hold OHEM. I think they will be the first uh, people that will be first approved. So you need to at least maybe you can hold 10 or 20 tokens, and then you are good to go. And you click here, I mean, you type yes here. Then here you enter your favorite cryptos that you hold. Maybe you are thinking of holding, or you are thinking of buying or hold. Then select um, you select uh, your category here. You are a developer, you are a crypto expert, crypto intermediate, maybe you click it. Then you tell us why you are excited about MANTRA DAO. For some of you that have started with us in past episodes, I think you'll be able to capture what MANTRA is and what interests you to continue uh, to follow us. Okay,
Good evening.
and from there you can now from here you tell us who you are. Are you a programmer? Are you a writer? Are you a video editor? Are you a graphic designer? Are you a programmer, blogger, content creators, and are you a singer like that? So you type in the category you belong to, then you agree to receive communication from Mantra that will click here so that you can receive when we have information to pass. You receive it by mail, so you click yes and you sign up. Then after your sign ups, then you can now wait for approval. So you will receive emails for approval after justice has been done to your
Good evening.
registration. Okay. There are some of us I don't know that our mic is on. They are saying good evening. All right. So like like Zizi. Okay. So so you sign in after you have received, you will receive your email of approval to log in. So it is from that confirmation link that you click, and you'll be able to sign in. Without that approval, you can't sign in. So I'm signing in now, and so because I'm already used this page before, so it's automatically going to take me into the platform, into the program. Okay, so on the program, you have a place where you can see the dashboard, see
I'm
the
fine. Welcome.
this is the oh, I will take mic from you now. Don't worry. Okay, so like I was saying, so this is the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you have the dollar rate of this coin, and of this of whatsoever you have earned. There is dollar rate of it, and also this is the point I've already uh, gotten. And you have community, you have the activities, you have the feed, you have the ranks, the rewards, and profile. So you on your profile, these are the things that I've awarded, gave me this 50 um, 50 points. Okay, so you can come here to set your profile. On your profile, you have your normal stuff, and then can upload your pictures, your profile pictures there. Then your password, you can change your password, you can add your phone number, your name, your email. Then here you have the exercise or the activity that you have already carried out and what gave you that point. So I've already carried out an activity of introducing myself to the community, and also I have also followed all the social handle for Mantra, and that is what has awarded me this. Okay, and the rewards are here. The rewards are here. The list of the reward and the orders. The orders are also here. The orders are here. The orders maybe what I want to order for to maybe buy or whatever. This thing is still going to still this platform is still what we are still working on. Then this is the payout. This is the payout. So don't forget that whatever you have here, uh, the when you claim your reward for when you trade your points for OM, you can actually go ahead to withdraw. Go ahead to withdraw your points here. So it's just another avenue for you to earn reward as far as Mantra is concerned. So you have a payment method here. You can select the payment method there, but I'm not going to that now. I'm not going to that now. So um, then your ranks. Uh, ranks is just like the leaderboard, just like we are familiar with leaderboard. So you can see people that have earned huge points within just 1 week that this thing has opened. So you can see people that already earned points. You can see points. So it's a determinant of how effective you are on your social media and what you can do to assist Mantra DAO that give you more, more reward. But first thing foremost, you need to first of all belong to the community, but at least maybe buy some little tokens and hold it so that when you are entering your you are trying to sign up for your SEPA, you will put yes. If you put yes and you don't have OM, me, I won't tell you what will happen, but you just need to just to not be too funny when you register and you are you are typing no yes, yes for no and no for yes, and your approval now delay for a reason that is best known to you. You understand? So we have the leaderboard here, so I can check my own where I am, where is me. I'm still looking for myself. Right. So I should be around here now. Uh, my name has disappeared. Okay, this me now. This me number 18. Me number 18. So everybody names that are registered are here. Even those that are still having 0 points, their names are here. So that's the leaderboard. Now on the feed, on feed you have what has been done. You see, Christian self has registered and get approval. So you can see people feed. You can see what people what they have done. Okay, you see all those things there. When you see all of that, you will know who has joined, you know who has submitted something, follow like that. So on feed you see all activities done by the community members, right? Then here activities is what you do to earn reward. What you do to earn reward. So you when you click participate in submission activity, when you click it, you will see the information that you see activities that you need to carry out. We have follow Mantra DAO social account. We have write a blog post about Mantra DeFi or anything around what we are building. So we have 50 points, and you can also can be creative and write a unique tweet trend. And here, your tweet will be it's not just one tweet. When you tweet, for those some of you that are familiar with Twitter, when you tweet, you will know that you can also still have another tweet in a tweet. So you tweet like 4 tweets in just you have a trend of tweet in one tweet. Like you can start with an introduction of what our mantra is, then you in that tweet you open another trend and start to talk about something else again, and like that. Let it be in orderly manner that anyone that pick that tweet can understand maybe four things in one tweet. So this will make you to handle one. And again, you can also still have a picture or comic jokes or something. Be creative in what you know how to do best, and you can, when you submit that, you can be able to at least earn 35 points for that. And you can also do videos. You can do Jeffrey. You can do so many things. You just want your voice to be heard to your friends out there, and you get reward for it. Then here, you introduce yourself to the community, and in the introduction, in the introduction, it's very very important to know what to do. All right. For introduction, when you go to the community, you can see the pin post by the admin, Will Coin King. So there we have two pin. Uh, taking email. Sorry, guys. Um, so we have pin message. We have you can post something. Can post. So you do your uh, you try to introduce yourself to the community by posting, right? So when you can read all these things. These are the tires in OM we have. The reward tires we have up to 10 tires is what we have. Then here, this is where the introductions of introduce yourself to the community members. Here you have your name, your city, and the country, profession, background, why you are excited about Mantra DAO. And this is what I have done. This is my introduction. Um, this is my introduction. So I have this my introduction here, but this won't give me a reward, because all I need to do is that I will need to copy this. I take screenshot of this, take screenshot of this, or let me say you copy what you have posted here. When you copy what you have posted here, then you go to the post, the pin post, which is here, this pin post, which is here, then you click here, you click where the comment section is, and when you click where the comment section is, you can see different comments. This is my own comment here. This is my own comment here. The same thing that I posted in the community page. So I copied it, then I try to come down here to add my comment. The same thing. So I add my comment here, and I added it. So immediately I added it, I have it here. I have it here. So when you have it here, what you need to do now is to now screenshot this part. You screenshot this part of yours. When you screenshot this, then you now go to activities. You go to activities, then you click your participate in the activities, then you go to where the introduction is, where the introduction post, activities is, which is here. So you click this portion, then you need to submit. See what I have submitted. So you click the submit content. You type that's your comment, that's your post. You paste it here, then you submit the screenshot that you have taken from the comment section of that post. Don't forget. So immediately you do that, you submit. So when you submit, to come down here as pending for approval. You see, I was rejected several times because I didn't do it correctly. So so um so I have this one, being accepted. Okay, so you need to understand how to do your stuff. Then if you want to also participate in Twitter, Twitter, follow social media account. They are following social media accounts. They follow the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, this and that and this. You follow any one of these ones. Okay? Follow any one of these ones because um, there is possibility that you can follow everyone, all the social media handles. Okay, so but they will only reward you just for one because the reward is just for one social media platform, but on social media handle, but you need to follow all of them. So they will pick anyone and reject all the other social media that you have posted. So they will also comment the reason why. I realize you send in all the photos in separate submission. Okay, so I will reject the others, but accept one because it is 25 points to follow all the accounts, not 25 points for each. So when you do that, you click submit content, then you have to submit your screenshot. You submit screenshot, then you submit. So when you do that, you are done. So everything that you are doing, you must screenshot. Screenshot is going to be, but there are, let me show you this one. Um, um, like, um, like there are some of the activities also that will come. You may see another activity that will tell you that like, retweet, and comment. All right, and they will attach when you click it. They will attach the tweet. They will attach the tweet to the activity. Sorry, boy. They will attach the tweet to whatsoever activity they are giving, so that you will know the tweet that they are actually talking about, and it's going to be an automatic activity. That is, immediately you click it, it's going to open the Twitter and include that Twitter link that is being given as a task for you here. So you don't need to open your Twitter. Remember that here on your profile, you will have where is it? On my profile setting, you will have added your social media network here. You will have enter your social media network here. So when you enter all your social media network, it's already automatically um, registered. So when you click the activity, it's going to, if it is Facebook, immediately you click, if it is the Facebook task that was given, immediately you click that Facebook task, it's going to link your Facebook automatically, and you can carry out your transactions, because it's transaction also. And you will wait for approval. After the approval, then your points can be, they can apportion you your points. So I think I've been able to give you. Then you can, like I said, you can also post. Although for now, I don't. You can post something and let the community see it. But I don't know for now if the like and the rest like that. Maybe it has something attached to it for now. But you can also still post and still interact with people here. And so so there you go. So that's just all about the Sherpa uh, platform platform, and you can read all the information that the program is all about, and it's just about reaching out to people and then attending to whatever activity that is being posted. So I would love to ask if you have a question so that we can end this meeting. I said it's just a very short meeting. So if you have a question, can go ahead and ask. But I think it's well self-explanatory. I think. Anybody with questions?
Yes,
Okay, go ahead.
I have a question, please.
Go
Good
ahead.
evening, everyone. I registered I registered as a shepherd today, this morning, and up till now, I've not gotten any confirmation mail from Crew. Is it Crew Wire? And I want to know how long does it take for someone to get a confirmation mail? First question. Then second question. Once I get a mail of confirmation, a confirmation mail from them, does that automatically give me access to this platform that you're showing us on your screen?
Okay. Um, let me start from number one. Number one, when you register, like I think I told them yesterday that the registration, I can't really give you a timeline because I do register last week or before last week, before the launch. I tried to register, and after the launch, I have to even still stay for that's it was just showing me waiting for approval, waiting for approval. So I can't give you the timeline. We have a volume of registrations,
Okay.
so I can't give you timeline for that. But surely you will be approved. And immediately you are for your second question, immediately you are approved, you have access to enter into this platform and start doing your stuff and get reward for it. So any other question again?
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Even
Sir, I have a question, and my question is on the
All right.
Sherpa's
Thank you.
platform.
Yes. You asked for this.
go ahead.
No, she can continue. Let her complete her question first.
Okay. Zizi, is there you have a question?
No, go ahead. My question is not a serious question. It can come later.
Okay.
Okay, so since she permits me, let me go on with it. Is there where you would input or connect your wallet when you are on the Shoppers community?
Yeah, like I said, I try to also open the reward side, and I try to show you the payout. The payout, you can see bank and PayPal payout. So you can see that your reward is showing dollar, and for now, I can't really. This is the payout this thing, and you can see the information and all the necessary things there. As time goes on, it's just this is still something that we are still working on. I'm not too sure if it's going to have where you need to connect your wallet, but I think it's just going to be maybe uh, it's going to be a place where you will provide your what's it called now, your wallet, your public wallet address, and you will be the one to send it to that wallet. It's not that you are connecting your MetaMask or whatever to this. Do you understand?
Okay, yes, sir. So basically, this is just like Mantra DAO's social platform, just like that of Uptrend. If I'm
Yeah,
not mistaken.
exactly. Yeah, it's more like you are carrying out an activity. On
Yes,
Mantra, on Uptrend. Uptrend is just about you write a post and you get
blog.
reward for it. All
Yeah.
right, you have a blog, and your blog can be for anything. But here we are focusing on your activity for Mantra. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think Adeleke always asking that question. Someone was asking this question.
Okay, yes, I see, sir.
All right, can you come again?
Okay, sir. I said when I was registering for the Shepherds program this afternoon,
Okay.
so that they ask us whether we hold OM or not. I choose yes. So I know I know hold OM. So so what I want to ask that is that do I need to register with another Gmail address or I should use that one?
Wait, you register and you did not have OM.
Yes, sir.
So you
I
are, so
not that
419, no, 419, sir.
wait. When you registered, you say yes or you say no.
I said yeah, I choose yes.
You
I
say
wrote
yes,
yes.
He
but you
said
did
yes,
not.
no, so
But you did not have.
Yes, sir.
Well, for me, I can't judge that. I can't judge that. The only thing I can just say is, you know, when you register, you already added. I think you will add your, what's it called, your Twitter handle. You put your Twitter handle, and if you put your Twitter handle to one, I don't think when you are registering another one, you are still going to use the same Twitter, except if you have, because what we are after is when you introduce yourself after maybe your approval. I know that there are people that will now have two accounts, or maybe they are trying to do maybe game the system. But all I know is by the time of paying out, that's when everything is going to now shoot. So it is better that when you register, you say the truth, so that by the time for your reward, I mean for your withdrawal or whatsoever, it may be difficult for you to get what you have suffered for long. And maybe is that account or is that account that you registered already have a volume of points that at the point of payout will now be saying, if you knew then you will have do the normal thing. So it's better to get it right. Do first thing, do it right as the first time, instead of you to start repeating things. So I can't tell you to go ahead and register or not. Just wait for an approval. And if you wait for approval, if that one is approved, then since you have picked yes, you need to just go and do 1+1 together and make sure you get OM in your wallet. That's just a simple uh, answer I will give you.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's not a question. I just wanted to add to what you said, sir.
Okay.
And sir, in the reward session, that payout, in that payout side, so if you fill the form, especially for those that want to have double accounts, I would advise they should not stress themselves, because when you fill the form, I checked it now. When you fill the form, there's a particular place where you have to, when you pass, there are two stages. When
Yeah.
you pass the first stage, next stage they will tell you to add your bank details, your Swift code, and everything.
Yeah.
And that's where they are going to separate Paul from Barnabas.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. That reason why I asked you, who is that? Somebody have a dog there, because I can hear whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, that's the reason why I said when it got to a point of um payout, that is when we need to. That's the reason why when you start your registration, it is better for you to just register as a normal person you are. Okay, register as a normal person you are, and don't try to add what is not in your registration, so that at the point of withdrawal you don't find it difficult. Register who you are. If you are holding OM, say you are holding it. If you are not holding it, say you are not holding it. Okay, and when it got to a point that you need to put in your Twitter, whatever, make sure you put your normal Twitter handle and your name. Make sure there's your name. You know, all these registration that we are doing, there are back end to it. So whatsoever you are trying to enter now, and you are trying to change it, it has a back end where they can view all those things. And it's not going to speak well after you try to want to, by the time you want to get your payout, they reject your whatever. So get it right first. First attempt, get it right, and don't try to game the system. Okay, is there any other question? Don't forget, Mantra is a big project, and they have uh, they have um, they have so many developers and so many things that they can use to get some things, and also they have people that represent them from different types, from different countries. And the reason why they have them also is just to monitor some of these things, some of the activities that people in your locality are doing. So you can easily detect if this person is actually real or not. So it's better you get your things done well and position yourself in a way that when it's time for you to get your payout, you will receive your payout.